Oh, a little rocky. Get it, charge the hill, charge the hill. You got it, you got it, you got it. Nice work. What's up, guys? We're here in Arizona, land of the free. Today, me and little buddy are gonna go take a ride on his little SSR motorbike here. Let's go ahead and get this thing started. This is gonna rip the little SSR. I'm gonna take the 390 Duke. We're gonna go out into the field over here. One of the neat parts about, uh-oh, where's my keys? One of the best parts about Arizona is the fact that you literally can ride out of your driveway and no one says a word. It's like the Wild Wild West out here. He's gonna go show us some of his favorite trails. Check this out. That's all preserve all the way up over to the White Tank Mountains. Those are the White Tank Mountains. It's pretty epic. I'm gonna go down here to Peoria, across the wash, and head out into the desert. Oh, got some soft talc right here. Did it die? You got it? Nice. This little SSR SR70 has been a great bike for this little guy. They got it a couple years ago and he's put tons of miles on this thing. It's been flawless. A couple carburetor cleanings, the thing's ready to go. The going rate for this guy out there is about 800 bucks if I remember correctly. It's about $700 less than any of the name brand Japanese models, and for your little guy just starting out, just cruising around trails like this, it's literally the perfect machine. I mean, as you can hear, he's not really taxing the motor. I mean, the suspension and the chassis really isn't being punished. He's just cruising trails, and if you're going to cruise trails, then any knockoff Honda motor can do the trick. What's wrong? Oh yeah, goggles. Nice call, dude. Oh, man down. You okay?
Yeah. How am I supposed to make it past here?
You just ride straight where the tire track is. You'll be okay. So you looked over there at that and got scared, huh? Yeah, just follow that tire track straight ahead. Nice work, kiddo. Oh, here he goes again. Soft talc stuff is rough. Keep going straight, you got it. Nice save, mister! Oh!
I can't make it.
You're alright, you did good. Yeah, let me get this around you real quick. Yeah. No, it's totally good. You're good. You were just up there and you hit this soft stuff right here. You'll be okay. So come get on. It's flat. It's flat right here. You're good. Right up here. Nice. Well, let's go exploring a little bit off the beaten path. I like the adventure spirit. Oh, nice save! Nice save! You're doing great. No, what?
I want to go back.
You're all done?
Well, I want to get over there. That's where back next.
What, right next on that trail over there?
Yeah, that's where I think.
Alright, well let's go forward a little bit more and we'll find the cutover.
I think it's a little
Oh, you bent up your brake a little bit? Nice charge, dude. Nice charge. I like it. It's probably going to freak out on a slightly technical section up ahead here. Nice work, nice work. All right, keep it in the rut, keep it in the rut. Nice save, mister. Killer job.
We're getting further away from the lodge.
Huh? This road should take us back that way.
Okay.
The heck? Look at this guy out here in the wilderness wandering around with no shirt. Oh shit, almost went down. Stop right here for a second. You stay right here, okay? I'm gonna go ask that person if they need help. I'll be right back. This guy's out here on an episode of Naked and Afraid. You alright? You okay? Alright, sweet. Guy look a little rough on the edges. Alright, let's go. Nice recovery. I think we ride over to the cell phone tower, then we could cross over there.
Okay. I don't see the cell phone tower.
Straight ahead. Nice, dude, nice. Love it. Oh, a little rocky.
Do you have your phone tracking where we've been?
No.
Is that on?
Yeah.
Okay.
My phone's not tracking us though.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good, because it felt like air was getting in here. I thought it was down.
Oh no, it looks good.
Okay.
Let me see. So when you're riding down the road with your foot on this, it's actually putting pressure on your brake. It's bad. That'd be better. You just can't ride with your foot touching it. It's going to heat up the back brake and make it seize up. Yeah, perfect. And then when you need it, put your foot up on it. Across into the other side, looks like a good path. Oh, it is, it's good. So what you want to do is go straight down and kind of across. Nice, nice, nice. A little charge there on the other side. TKC 70 rocks, digging a hole over there. Now, where did the kid go? Lost the kid when my bike stalled. There he is. Some good little training over here. Little sand washes. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Had my eye on him a second ago. Oh, there he is, slamming on the brakes. Hey, that's the street. Gotta stay out of the street, dude. Let's do a U-turn. You're doing awesome. This is some cool terrain you're taking me on. It's all right. You got it? Nice. All right, let's go out, go around the fence, and go back home.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, we'll go take a breather. And that there was it. Just a quick little rip out here in the deserts of Arizona with my little nephew on his SSR 70. If you like what you saw, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more action, well, probably not like this, but more motorcycle action anyway, please hit. Okay. So if you like what we saw today, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, well, not like this, but more motorcycle action, please hit that subscribe button and more importantly, that notification bell, so you can be part of the notification squad. Until next time, and as always, take care and ride safe out there. Hey little mister, this is like a hiking and walking path and a dog running path. This is not a path that we should be riding our motorcycles on. This is like a hiking and a walking path. We probably shouldn't be riding on this one.
So just to the end and you were make the U-turn.
Okay, why don't we jump up on the street here and go back to your house? There you go. Dude, thanks for taking me on a ride. That was awesome. High five, dude. Yeah. What was your favorite part about riding?
Probably when it's just the straight and you can go.
Just the straight? What about all those cool technical things you took me through? Those were awesome.